but it's really big.
I can't look. I can't
Do you
look
need
at
help, baby?
Go get some tape.
All right, don't be aggressive with it, Addison. Please,
It's a
don't be
fragile
aggressive.
toy. It's not really a toy. It's supposed to be a. Who's this?
All right,
for?
Carson, no talking.
Dad. It's a big fork. That's all it is. Big fork.
Mommy, turn.
What is it?
I don't know, is it? I thought she wasn't coming until Tuesday.
What is that?
Already?
These are skates.
Jake, move.
Oh, it's
You think she said turn? I think
I thought she was coming Tuesday.
she's early.
These are skates.
Oh my gosh.
Look at Preemie.
Mommy, turn.
Okay, do you wanna open her like you wanna open her?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute, let's see what's up. Okay.
So beautiful.
Why are you covering her face? I'm concerned.
You have to watch the video. There is a way you do this.
Mommy, it's actually hurt.
You've been out of touch, girl.
I
Clearly.
don't
Clearly,
Haven't you ever had a
the
baby?
loop. I did not know how to birth. Yeah, I didn't quite cover
Just so
her
you
face.
You birthing these mother.
Addison, you think that your mommy unwrapped you like that one
You
day?
smother the child.
You're going on YouTube, you know.
I feel
It's
bad
only
for her
that
to
easy.
stay in this box.
It'd be nice if it was that easy.
This thing, the baby gets delivered in a box. Unwrap it.
Oh.
Amy, we're gonna be playing with her all day long. Oh yeah, say you one more time and see what I
Like a
do.
real baby.
Carson, ooh.
Yeah, that looks like a real baby.
Jay, did you know babies came like
You
this?
ready?
Yes, they don't for real.
They used to come by the store. Come by UPS.
Oh, you're having. Oh. What?
Oh.
Wow.
That's what I'm laughing at. No worries at the heck, hey, and don't
Oh, that baby come with
I
a,
No.
that baby needs a haircut already.
I gotta go change her because it's. Ooh, I gotta go change her.
Addie,
already.
Addie,
Yes,
that
You already
baby
got a
needs,
poopy diper?
What's the matter? She get
that
excited.
baby needs a
You said you
haircut
got a
already.
change.
I know.
Daddy, is it Little Grace?
What's her name?
Holly.
Her name is Little Grace. in the
She
box,
named her
but
Holly?
She wants to name her Holly.
Hi.
Well, I like Holly Grace.
Holly's what she'll go by.
Yeah,
You
Holly
want her to
Grace.
be Holly Grace? Holly Grace is pretty.
Holly Grace Cook.
Yeah.
Her check. Yeah.
There, that's it.
Oh.
Look this way one
So
time.
we can get you a picture with her.
Jake, don't be getting bright ideas now.
Very heavy.
You're not getting no baby.
I gotta go change
Please
her.
don't.
Mama, can I go change her?
Please don't.
Yeah, me and Jay were talking about it. We just
Guys,
Addie. Addie.
here's all her contacts. What do you say to everybody?
Thank you.
Addison, here's all her clothes. Come on, let's go set them all out so you can pick what you want.
I knew she was.
Is her hair wet?